Do you want to freeze more than one row on your worksheet? Here is a very simple way to go about it. Hi, I am Josephine, and let's get right into it. Click on the further cell to the left of the row below the number of rows you want to freeze. In this case, I selected row number 7 because I want to freeze the first 6 rows of my worksheet. Then go to the View tab, click on the Freeze Panes menu. On the drop-down list, select Freeze Panes. Now you have it. Now you have the first 6 rows of your worksheet frozen. They are static. As you move your data up and down, as you scroll down, you can see that they are frozen. So there you have it. If you found this content helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the like button for more videos like this.